welcome back to the channel. My name's Adil and we are in for a massive treat. We are in the presence of an incredibly rare car. So for those of you who don't know what this vehicle is, this is a Porsche 911 964 Carrera. However, this is a Jubilee Edition. So there was actually only 911 of these made and produced, and this is one of those. These are incredibly rare vehicles, and we are upgrading the security of it. With it being such a rare vehicle, it is so important that you keep your asset in your possession. So we've gotten rid of the original alarm system that was causing client issues, and we've actually upgraded that to a new full Thatcham Category 1 alarm and immobilization system, ensuring this vehicle is now going to stay with our owner, protecting not only the inside of the vehicle but also against theft of this absolutely stunning vehicle. So for vehicle security, obviously we don't show any of the behind the scenes of all the work that's been done. However, as you guys can see around us inside this workshop, I am in the presence of not only this absolutely stunning vehicle. To the left hand side of me here, I have a Lamborghini Aventador, alongside that Ferrari F12, in front of that AMG GT, in front of that Porsche GT3 RS. To the right of me, I've got a Range Rover Vogue. It just literally, the workshop is absolutely filled of immense cars at the moment, but this work has been carried out by our expert team, professionals here in Cambridge. So no matter where you are based in the UK or across the world, vehicles do travel over to us from internationally as well. We're chatting to a person at the moment coming over from Germany. We've got a client that's come over, and we've got in our workshop currently from Ireland. We've had all the way from Washington in the States as well. So if you're interested in upgrading your vehicle security or enhancing your whole vehicle with some of our different upgrades that we offer, head over to our website. You'll see a whole host of different upgrades and offer of services that we can do to your vehicle. But this is a really cool car, and we've now secured it with that Thatcham Category 1 alarm and immobilization system. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it, and we hope to see you on the next one.